what's up guys? This is Roddy and look at who I have here right in front of me. This mysterious, weird looking tall tower of a box. Well, it's none other than, you probably guessed it, Motorola's new Razr 5G phone, and it's right here in our office in the flesh. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox it. This Motorola Razr phone is not the Motorola Razr phone that we all know and love so far. Well, although we love that phone, I doubt anybody will want to buy it in this godforsaken year of 2021. But no worries, because this Moto Razr phone, even though it's made in 2020, it's definitely made for users today. It has 5G, it has Snapdragon 765, it has Android OS, 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, and last but not least, the technology that allows us to enjoy the iconic flips today, the foldable screen. But that's what we know on paper, so I'm sure all Razr lovers out there are super excited to know the feel, the satisfaction of those flips. So let's unbox it. Got my handy knife here. The box is pretty unique in its design. I don't know if you guys can tell, so I'm gonna rotate it for you. It definitely does resemble the box from the previous Razr model, and it's a good looking collectible box, very stylish. Now let's cut this off. The box has a really nice texture too. It has like some embellishments on it. It looks glittery, but it's actually pretty matte. And it opens vertically, which is pretty cool. Oh my goodness, and look at that. Here it is guys, the Moto Razr 5G 2020. It's so elegantly placed, and it just, look at that polished graphite color. It's pretty insane. And I know, usually our unboxing videos start with showing you guys everything in the phone, but that's kind of like the side dishes, you know, the coleslaw. Let's get straight into this Motorola Razr 5G. Whoop. It slides out the box really nicely. It has a sticker at the front that says, "Warning, do not apply a screen protector to the foldable display as it will damage this display." And let's see how it opens. Oof, it feels really nice, and once it opens, it's completely straight. You don't really see any bends or any folds. And one thing that I can assure you is the flip is as satisfying as ever. I just can't get enough, you guys. I've been waiting for a foldable phone for so long. Pure ASMR for flip phone lovers, am I right? I'm so excited, I'm getting goosebumps. You know what, Razr? Welcome back. Let's switch it on. Where is the switch on button? Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! Even the front display lights up when you switch it on. That's impressive. All right, so while this phone is switching on, let's check out everything else that's in the box. So in it, we have this casing that kind of looks like a glasses casing. And it's really, really supremely stylish, really chic. In it, we have 15-watt turbo power charger. We also have the SIM pin injector, the cable, the USB Type-C cable for the charger. And we also have, nice, a USB to 3.5mm jack for you audiophiles out there. And aside from that, we also have, as per usual, the legal documentation. It's all really nicely packed. There's like no excess space at all. So now that the phone is switched on, let's set it up. And we're pretty much good to go. Look at that screen, guys. It's 6.2 inches of POLED, and you guys probably can't tell if there's a fold in between or not. And let me tell you, I'm with this phone in real life, and I can't really tell the difference either. There might be a slight curve, but it doesn't get in the way of the design, the vibrancy of the colors, the vividness. It looks really, really nice to look at, to be honest, and really nice to scroll through. Feels really comfortable in my hands. Let's try to watch something. YouTube is preloaded, which is super sweet. I'll show it to you guys in full screen. So just check this out. The colors look super vivid, super vibrant. I love the quality that we get to see on it, and I'm just super excited to see it on the go like this. All right, now that we've showcased the screen and its colors, I still can't get enough of the folds. And once you fold it, actually, you can see the notifications on the folded screen as well. And you can also interact with the screen because it's also touch compatible. Sometimes it gives you Razr tips on how to use the phone, which is really, really nice. And you can unlock it from here too. Here you can scroll side by side to get the shortcuts. In case you guys are wondering how solid this folding mechanism is, well, for me, it feels really sturdy and really powerful. And Motorola claims that you can flip it for at least 200,000 times. That's like, what? Even if you flip it for about 200 times a day, you probably won't even get that number for a couple of years. And just every single time you open it, the UI looks supremely sleek. It loads up as you fold it out, which is really nice. And I can't get enough. It fits perfectly in my small palm, so I'm pretty sure any of average hand sizes out there would love the way this feels in your hand. And that's pretty much it for my first impression on this beautiful Motorola 5G Razr. So this phone is now available at DirectD outlets at 5,999 ringgit. But that's not all you get when you buy this phone. No sir, with DirectD you always get those good freebies. And for this phone we have the exclusive Lenovo Tab M7 gift pack. So this comes with the Lenovo M7 Tab. It also comes with the clear protective case and the screen protector. You also get this limited edition black leather case for the Razr 5G. So really good freebies. Don't forget to leave your comment down there. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys are excited for this phone as much as I am. I don't know if you noticed, but I was like shaking with goosebumps, you guys. And that's pretty much it for today's unboxing. I'm gonna continue playing around with this phone. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching.